Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Tapo T31 Door Sensor Starter Kit, a smart home solution that's designed to enhance your home security and automation. We found this product online and added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Tapo T31 kit includes 3 Tapo T110 Contact Sensors and a Tapo H100 Smart Hub with a built-in chime. This setup is perfect for anyone looking to keep tabs on their doors and windows while also integrating smart technology into their home. The sensors rely on a sub-GHz protocol to operate, which not only provides an extended range but also maximizes battery life, something we all appreciate. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this kit. First and foremost, the real-time notifications are a game-changer. Whether you're at home or out and about, you'll receive instant alerts on your smartphone whenever a door or window opens or closes. This feature is particularly useful for parents wanting to keep an eye on their children or for anyone who may have concerns about security when they're away from home. The Tapo Hub is another highlight. It acts as a centralized control point for up to 64 devices, which means you can connect various sensors, switches, and buttons without the hassle of complicated setups. This low-power wireless protocol is a significant advantage, extending the battery life of connected devices up to 10 times compared to typical Wi-Fi devices. Additionally, the Tapo T31 kit allows you to activate a customizable 90 dB alarm, which is incredibly effective for deterring potential intruders. You'll also have access to a full activity history through the Tapo app, making it easy to review any unusual activity that may have occurred while you were away. What sets this product apart is its Matter certification. This means that the Tapo T31 can integrate seamlessly with other Matter-certified devices from various brands, providing you with universal compatibility across major smart home platforms such as Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. This feature is a huge plus for anyone looking to build a cohesive smart home ecosystem. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Tapo T31 kit is perfect for homeowners or renters who want to enhance their security without complicated installations. It's also great for anyone looking to monitor specific areas of their home, such as cabinets or mailboxes. The easy installation process with magnetic or adhesive mounting means you can quickly set up the sensors without any tools. Practical use cases for the Tapo T31 extend beyond just door and window security. For instance, you can sync the contact sensors with Tapo cameras to create a more robust security system. Whenever a door or window is opened, the cameras can automatically start recording, ensuring you capture any potential intruders. Moreover, you can automate room lighting by pairing the sensors with smart lights. Imagine walking into a closet or laundry room, and the lights turn on automatically. Definitely a nice touch. In summary, the Tapo T31 Door Sensor Starter Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to bolster their home security and enjoy the conveniences of smart home technology. With its user-friendly features, compatibility with various platforms, and easy installation, it's a solution that caters to a wide range of needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.